In just 3 minutes, it will be ready. I'll teach you step by step how to prepare it. To start with this delicious recipe, the first thing we need is 3 eggs. These we add to a medium bowl carefully, without breaking the yolks. Once added, we separate the yolks into a medium bowl because we'll use them later. Now we beat the egg whites with a fork until foamy. This process doesn't take long, so do it patiently. If you have an electric mixer, even better, it'll be faster. It will look foamy like this. Ready. Now what we'll do is add between 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. As we add, we move to avoid ruining our recipe. Tell me in the comments what you pack for your little ones when you're in a hurry. I'll be reading them. We continue mixing until it looks like this. As I explained, you can use an electric mixer, it's faster. Ready. Now we set aside for a moment. Now, the reserved yolks, we add to a medium bowl. We'll also add a cup of whole milk. Now, with a fork, we stir until these delicious yolks break. When they break, continue stirring until the yolks are completely integrated with the milk. It will look like this. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of vanilla essence. This will give a special touch to our recipe and make the flavor unique. Mix until this ingredient integrates with the others. Now we're going to add a cup of wheat flour. It must be sifted. If you don't have sifted flour, I recommend passing it through a sieve as I'm doing. This is to avoid any lumps, because if it contains lumps, we could ruin our delicious recipe. Ready. Now with a fork or whatever you have, mix until you have a homogeneous mixture. If you need more flour, you can add it. It should look like this. We'll also add a tablespoon of baking powder. This is optional, but if you want our pancakes to be fluffy, I recommend adding it. Mix until it integrates with the other ingredients. Ready. Now we add all the beaten egg whites. Mix with the help of a fork or whatever you have until this ingredient is completely integrated with our mixture. Tell me in the comments from which country you watch our recipes, so I can send you a greeting in the next video. Ready. It will look like this. In a cup, we place a small plastic wrap. Then, we add our mixture to fill the cup, just like I'm doing. Ready. We move everything to one corner and it will look like this. Now we'll just make a small hole in this part to add to the pan. Now the pan, we let it heat a little and add our mixture this way. You can make them any size you like. In my case, since it's for my little ones, I'll make them this size. On low heat, we let bubbles form and burst. When they burst, we flip them and let them cook for about a minute. We repeat the same process with all until finished. Ready. Our delicious pancakes are ready.